Hello and welcome to Victoria Park Golf Learning Centre. My name's Murray Lott and
I'm Jim Barden.
And today we're going to talk about chipping. Okay, so a chip shot by definition is a shot that is a short swing, small swing, generally below the height of the knees. It'll fly a little bit in the air and roll mostly along the ground.
These shots can be played pretty well with any club in the bag. Murray's going to start with his 8-iron and I'm going to demonstrate a few with something a little more lofted like a sander. Okay, so Murray's going to hit a nice little chip shot with his 7-iron, which will be a small ball flight and a lot of ball roll. You'll notice a few differences in his setup from a normal shot. So what we see here, he has again more weight on his left leg, and we can see his sternum here, the buttons on his shirt pointing somewhere down into the ground about here, resembling a little bit like impact. You'll see that short backswing, and importantly on the way through his body will continue to turn.
Okay, so it's over to you to try this next time you go and play. Enjoy!